Hi guys, we're just gonna launch the boat through there. That looks like a police officer person. That's weird. We are back with this motor here. I want to make sure that first of all it doesn't leak, that everything that I learned so far from this motor is true. Someone suggested that this should be up, just keep this underwater, and this should be up. See if that works. I also want to try here on this Catch Power 100, which is supposed to be kind of like a plastic boat that is supposed to take an outboard, so it's supposed to go like plane, but I don't think this thing has enough power to plane. Anyways, we're gonna test it out right now. Hopefully SWC doesn't get mad at me for launching in front of them. And this thing right here is slippery, so we're gonna have to launch the boat and then paddle out, and then very windy. That's a real boat. I would trade just one for that boat. Hello. I was gonna go home and shoot this review in a fancy place, and I noticed if we go here, there's no wind, so I'm gonna bring that boat over here. This is the Catch Power 100. It's a really nice boat. I really enjoy fishing, doing fun stuff of this boat. But this video is not about the boat. It's about this engine right here. These supposedly 4 horsepower, 4-stroke engine that you could buy online of Amazon, or at least you could, because as soon as I bought this one, the listing went off. But there's a lot of other engines like this. This is pretty much a lawnmower motor right here on top that they added a prop. Basically the prop is inside that little thing over there. Today we're gonna be doing a full review of this unit, and I highly recommend you don't buy it. Let me tell you why. First of all, I got no more than 3 miles an hour. That was the fastest this thing went, 3 miles an hour. And that was with the current, which was like about a mile an hour. Now it could be the design of this thing, it could be the way this is done. Like if you had a standard prop, maybe it will go faster, but what I heard from people online is that you probably go 1 extra mile an hour. Well, some are saying 5. Really, like if they measure, I think they're probably looking more like a 4 miles an hour, not 5. And if you use this thing in open water conditions, like here, like a marina, if you go in salt water, you're probably gonna get 3 to 4 miles an hour at most. Now there are other reasons why you should save yourself the money, the $320 that it would cost you to get this motor, add another $300, or even get that $300 and find something used and buy a proper 2.5 outboard motor. You could buy a Suzuki 2.5. They're proven, they're amazing little motors. That's what I recommend. That's what I'm gonna stick with. But let me tell you why you shouldn't buy this. First of all, there's no kill switch. Maybe you could modify it, maybe you could do something to add a kill switch to this, but there's no kill switch on this thing. Meaning, you may want to stay close to your motor in case something happens. So in this case, I didn't even bring the seat. I sat over here. I don't know, that police officer lady has been moving around all over the place. Maybe she's looking for something, I don't know. She's searching for something. Anyways, let me continue with my review here. So no kill switch. That means if you sit over here and for some reason something happens, you flip over, good luck. Or you fall, which is most likely will happen, that you fall off the boat, good luck with that. The other thing is, this is not a standard throttle controller, so maybe you could find something to adapt it to this, like an extension, or you're gonna have to make your own. But see, I don't trust this. I don't trust this design right here. So you don't get that either. We're gonna do a full comparison video between this unit and the Suzuki 2.5 before I send this back, because I don't think this is what I thought I was buying. I'm basically getting sold a crap motor for $320 basically. Okay, another thing is I would definitely stay away from this type of design. I don't think it's helpful in any way. It doesn't add anything to it really. Yeah, you get grass, well, you could get grass through here. Like, there's nothing stopping the grass to coming through there and getting stuck inside that shaft. There's nothing stopping it. So it's not like it's not gonna help you. Is it safer? Probably, you know, like, but whenever you're using a motor, you gotta be safe, you gotta be careful. Another important thing, look at this thing right here. You see this? It moves on its own. There's nothing to lock it down so it stays straight. Or if you want to add more friction to it so you don't have to keep your hands on it at all times. Can you picture this? This thing goes like this, and all of a sudden you go in reverse and you try to get it, you're gonna flip over. So definitely that's another problem. And another thing that is really bad about it is everything is uncovered. Nothing is covered, everything is exposed. The only benefit of having everything exposed is that easier to work on the engine maybe, and the other thing is it weighs less. And that's one good thing about it, that is pretty much weightless, like 27 pounds, something like that. And also not expensive, $320, but it's not worth your money. Forgot to add on the review over there that this is not the only boat we tested this motor on, and we didn't see any improvement in speeds between this one, the Johnny Bass 100, or the Catch. At least we should get 4 miles an hour on a boat like this. That is trash. If you want to see another video about this motor, I'm gonna link it below. I'm probably gonna have 3 videos in total. And if you want to see more motors on kayak videos or little plastic boat like this, don't forget to click like and also subscribe. See ya, bye.